I'm hacking our throwback bucket hat pattern and sewing it to be reversible. Cut the brim, upper and lower crown pieces in each fabric and make sure to clip into those notches as they are super important for making hats. To give the hat structure, fuse craft interfacing to one or both of the brim pieces, really pressing it well. I have my floral and my neutral layers ready to be sewn. First stitch the center back seam, press open, then pin the upper and lower crown pieces together. Then pin those to the brim. Here, you will be glad that you notched. Stitch the circular seams together. Go slow and shift your fabric often. Sewing curved seams takes practice and precision, and don't be afraid to do some extra clipping as well. All done. Now, time to stitch the neutral layer in the exact same way. Now it's time to stitch those layers together around the outer brim, leaving a small opening. Pull the hat through and give it a really good press. Press the allowances of the opening to the inside. And top stitch around the outer edge to close the opening, and then do several rows to hold the brims better together. And here is my finished hat, ready for a day out in the sun, and I can wear it two ways with different outfits.